Welcome back. If you look at old cars inside by the roof, you have this type of material, but it's sagging. Look, it's all loose. There's a way to fix it. It's not to fix it, just a temporary method, just to keep it there. You take a pin. Let's get a pin here. It's like this. This pins from your wife. You take a pin and a long nose, and then you go. Let's take for instance here. Then you put a pin in there. There's like a carton type of thing in the back, and then you go and you take your long nose, and then you push it in there like this. Then it keeps, look, I put a lot of them in here just to keep the inside of this material a little bit at bay, otherwise it will land on your head. Alright, I hope if you have an old car and you have this problem, use pins to pin down this stuff on the roof. Thank you. Till next time.